Now, it's no surprise, Elegoo is one of my favorite 3D printing companies. Why? They came out with a product that was an extremely affordable product that was extremely high quality. We got the Centauri Carbon, and it was the Centauri Carbon 1 with a promise that it would come with a multicolor unit. Now, many of us got frustrated when they did not come out with the multicolor unit the way they had originally promised in the time frame that it was expected. And I got a little bit of a sour taste in my mouth at the time because I had been promised that we would have a multicolor unit. But I want to talk now. I want to go to where we're at right now, and I want to talk about what really has happened with, in my opinion, with the Elegoo and the Centauri Carbon 2, and the products that are out. There's no two ways about it. If a company came out with a product, they promised they were going to come out with a multicolor product, and they brought a product that was a garbage product to the market, it would have been worse than not coming out with a product at all. So I actually take my hat off to Elegoo for stepping in and saying, we don't have a multicolor product for the Centauri Carbon 1. When they came out with the Centauri Carbon 2 and it had a multicolor unit on it, I hesitated to get one. Why? Because the Centauri Carbon 1 had been promised it would have a multicolor unit, and it didn't. However, the price of the Centauri Carbon and the Centauri Carbon 1 is still compelling enough that I did end up getting one. I ended up purchasing a Centauri Carbon 2, and I am extremely glad I did. If you want to compare the quality of prints that the Centauri Carbon 1 and Centauri Carbon 2 can produce to that of like a bamboo printer, that really the same quality. We're looking at a printer that prints impeccable quality. Right now, we have the market that is shifting towards wanting to have multi-head, the U1 Snapmaker, the FlashForge Creator 5. Yes, I've purchased both of those printers. Yes, I love them. Compared to a $300 printer, what we paid for the original Centauri, and you can get the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 for $400. I mean, that's pretty cheap. But you're getting more than just that, because you're getting, I mean, you could just buy the Centauri Carbon and get the add-on for $55 to canvas. But with the Centauri Carbon 2, you're actually getting a heater in there. You're getting the top, which if you were to get the add-on for the Centauri Carbon, you're not going to get the hood, which I love the hood. It gives us the ability to actually keep it enclosed and actually print filaments that are more than just your PLA and PETG and TPU. It gives you the ability to print a lot more options. And so I like the Centauri Carbon 2 for that reason. However, I am getting the canvas to add on to the Centauri Carbons that I have, or at least one of them I will. I don't know if I'll do both of them. But the quality is right there. It stands up to for most prints. Even some prints, it even beats the quality of some of the other ones. And for the price, it's really hard to beat. Right now, we're printing a bunch of the little dragons. So I've loaded up the build plate with 15 of these dragons, and I'm going to pull this off, and we'll take a look at the quality of these prints. While I'm waiting, I want to talk a little bit about the filament that we use. Elegoo is probably my #1 choice of filament to go through and get. I buy them by the case. I literally will buy 3 cases. They do really well by it. So I just want to put a plug for their filament. It is the #1 filament that I use. Now I use a lot of other filaments too. Today I'm going to pull this off right here, and we'll take a look at the quality that comes. It's just finishing right here. I want to pull this so that you can see really quick and see. We have just finished this print right here. There we go. Get the lighting to finish a little bit better. But unbelievable quality. Now I'm going to go through and crack the build plate just enough that I can take and pull one of these off. Oh, maybe we'll just pull the whole build plate out. So there we go. We got, holy smokes, that's impeccable to me. I cannot get over how much I absolutely think the quality is just impeccable. I'm going to crack the build plate where I can use both hands here. I mean, that holds on there pretty good. This is just the build plate that came with it. I haven't even put a special build plate on there or anything. Take a look at the quality of this, and I'm just going to pull one of these up and take a look at it. But look at the detail on that. And this is printed at a 0.20, 4 color, 5% infill. Those eyes just pop. 0 banding on any of these. And I just use the slicer settings that it comes with. Just go through and I just click on the slicer and I say fill build plate, and it filled it for 15, and I print it on. It takes a little over a day to print a whole bed of these. We go through and we talk about the waste that comes with having a single nozzle, but the difference in cost of a printer that you can buy for $400 for a printer you pay $1,000 for, that's $600. How much filament are you going to buy in $600? Oh, less than $600 into filament for the year. You will have spent less by buying the cheaper printer than you would have if you would have bought the filament, if you'd have bought the more expensive and paid less for the filament. With that said, I mean, I can't condemn too much. I've got into the multi-level printers, or the multi-head printers. I love the multi-head printer. I absolutely love the Snapmaker, but for $400, you can't beat it. Even $450 if you pay full price and don't go through and, like, if you click the link on the screen there, sometimes it goes through and it'll give it down to $400. But even if that deal's gone and you pay $450, the ability to print this quality is just impeccable. For that price, it's unbeatable. And I just don't have problems with it. I just don't have problems with my Centauri Carbon 2. This right here is the filament that we wasted, the poop. And so, yeah, there is quite a bit of poop, but it's not the end of the world. If you go through and take a look at how many prints you're going to do, and I'm not going to complain with the amount of filament that I've wasted. Yeah, if I have a choice, I run it maybe on a tool head, but when I don't have a choice or when I need to get more of it done, it does a heck of a job. I'm extremely glad to have the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Especially when you take, there's 15 of these, and all of that purge right there is divided up per little dragon. It turns out pretty good. I have no complaints. I do love my Elegoo Centauri Carbon, and for the money, extremely hard to beat, especially if you're just needing to get a few really cool prints. There is a huge push in the market right now to move to the multi-head tool systems, and I'm not going to deny I love my multi-head tool system, but there will always be a place for my Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Yes, I could save this purge if I had printed instead of on the Centauri Carbon. I would be able to save all of the poop right here. However, I had an order come in that was greater than my ability to print on the Snapmaker U1 and still hit my deadline. And so I was forced to use my other multi-color printers, and the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 has done a fantastic job with it. A little bit of poop when I needed it is a whole lot less than losing the order. There are, however, some benefits that the Centauri Carbon 2 has instead of getting a second Snapmaker. First off, the price. Number two, it's got a heated chamber, and it gives me the ability to print with filaments that my Snapmaker U1 cannot. The quality of prints that I get off of this Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 printer rivals any print I have seen off of any bamboo lap. And the overhangs. Look at the overhang. Unbelievable on the overhang there. I absolutely stand by the quality of Elegoo, specifically the quality of the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2. Yes, normally this is a print that I would do on my Snapmaker, but the fact it can do this, the fact that it can print this, is unbelievable. Anyway, if you're looking for a beginning printer, I do recommend the Centauri Carbon 2.